Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Gemini placements. This is your energies. Okay, na pwedeng dumating ngayong May pagdating sa general. Yeah, general and love reading. Okay, so let's see. Before tayo mag-start, kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yeah, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pang FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po. Okay? And yeah, don't forget to follow yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. And pagdating sa ating mga items, yeah, they're all available. Yung ating mga protection from evil eye, ring, bracelets, okay, bracelets, isang adjustable, isang garterized. Yung adjustable available in red strings. So, meron din tayong necklace. Okay, so si necklace is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and ito po ay unisex. Okay, so as you can see, meron siyang blue stone sa gitna, pero hindi lang mabigyang justice ng ating camera. Oo, so yeah, pagdating sa love, ito yung pwede na mai-refer ko sa inyo, yung love bracelet for singles, pwede rin sa mga may conflict, no, sa kanilang mga kakarelasyon. Yes. And si Granter necklace, si Granter is made to order. This is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, 20 inches long yung chain. So, ganyan yung chain niya. Okay, ganyan yung chain. Anyway, so, ganito naman siya. Front and back. Pareho lang. Okay, so, para siyang may glass. As you can see. So, si Granter, taga-grant. Okay, na mga minamanifest and taga-pagbigay ng surprises. Kung hindi pa ready at hindi pa ka-frequency yung iyong minamanifest. Ha? Okay? And syempre, yung ating cord cutting. So, si cord cutting is pagkakat po natin. Ikakat natin yung mga energies na nakadikit pa sa'yo. Kaya ikaw itong parang ang sobrang bigat. Oo. Sobrang bigat ng mga parang energy na nararamdaman mo everyday. Pagising mo pa lang, bakit ganito? Hindi ko to energy, bakit ganyan, gusto kong gumawa pero hindi ako makagawa. Yun, okay? So, yeah. Let's see. Let's start. In general, anong meron for you? Gemini placements. Okay. What's for you, Gemini? In general, anong meron? In general, for Gemini, ngayong May. Four of Pentacles, Universe. Medyo pagdating sa pera, medyo palabas. Hindi ko alam kung ito ba ay may pagkakagastusan ka. The Moon in reversed. Yeah, I think may pagkakagastusan. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reversed. Some of you, nandito yung energies about sadness. Okay, sadness, pwedeng ikaw itong gagastos ng gagastos, no? Parang hindi mo naiisipin yung paggastos, or sabihin natin ano bang magiging epekto nito pag binili ko to or what. Kasi parang dala ng kalungkutan, andun yung parang hindi ko alam kung way mo yung pagbili. Okay, yeah, some of you may ganyang pwedeng mangyari ngayong May. Yeah, the Tower in reversed. Maybe you're avoiding something. The feeling, okay, the feeling na parang nakakalungkot. So, I have to do it, I have to buy it, I need to, parang ganyan, para malesen siguro. Okay. Let's see. The Knight of Wands. Yeah, some of you, you'll be open pagdating sa dating. Okay. Yeah, the Five of Pentacles. Kasi parang meron kang gustong punan na parang kulang. Okay? I don't know if this is talking about a relationship. Okay? Some of you, you'll date somebody this May. Okay? Para, yeah. Sabihin natin mapunan yung parang mga kulang sa buhay mo. See, a relationship. Some of you, be careful if you're in already a connection na. Avoid yes, avoid makipag-connect. Opo. Okay? Ay, yeah, see the 3 of Cups. Okay. 3 of Cups, energies of third party. Yeah, the 9 of Cups in reverse, the Ace, I don't know, the Page of Swords in reverse. So, sabihin natin hindi naman kasi pang matagalan. Oo, hindi pang matagalan. Kahit sabihin natin pang matagalan, yeah, hindi natin kailangan. Oo, parang ganun. Anyway, there's this fire sign, earth sign, Pisces, na pwedeng gumawa nun sa'yo. Or pwedeng ikaw yung gagawa nun sa kanila. That's specific. Could be any sign anyway. Pero sana wag. Oo. Okay. So, what else? Gemini. Some of you, be careful making decisions. Kasi gusto mo lang. Okay? Like, hindi naman totally solid yung plano. Yeah. Kasi meron ako nakikita mga perang masasayang if ever. Apo. Yeah, the Empress in reverse. So, energies about short term. Okay? What's with that Empress in reverse? The 4 of Swords. Be careful sa mga pregnant dyan. Oo. Some of you, you need to take a lot of rest. You have to take a lot of rest. Oo. Ano daw? Oo, the Sun in reverse. Excuse me. I'm getting the energy of bleeding. Be careful. I'm hearing the word bleeding. So, kung kailangan mo magpahinga, do it. Do it. Okay? What's with this Empress in reverse? Some of you, ikaw itong pwedeng sabihin natin kung hindi ka naman preggy. No, lalaki ka. Sabihin natin, andun yung parang tawag ng pahinga eh. Okay? Ngayong May, kung kailangan mo magpahinga like physically, do it. Mentally, tired, do it. Magpahinga. Yeah, the 3 of Pentacles in reverse, hindi ka rin kasi makakapag isip ng tama. Okay? Meron ditong magre-reject ng isang plano. Why? They don't trust you. I don't know. They don't trust you. Or maybe you have to reject somebody ngayong May because ang nakikita ko dito is like one-sided. Parang gusto lang nila to kasi parang mayroong mas magandang benefits for them and ikaw parang okay, gagamitin lang kita. Parang ganon. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Okay. If you're a single parent, some of you, wala akong nakikitang energies if ever you're open. Pagdating sa dating, pagdating sa partnership, I don't see it coming ngayong May. Okay? What else? Be careful with player. Oo, may mga player type energies ako nakikita rito. Okay, what else? 10 of Wands in reversed. Something you need to surrender. What's with that? The Ace of Swords in reverse. You have to surrender lahat ng parang nagbibigay ng confusion sa'yo. Okay? Lahat ng parang nagbibigay ng big question mark sa'yo. Some of you, you'll cut off people, you'll cut off situations this May. Or you have to. Okay? Yeah. Pwedeng may mga nabibinbin, oo. Parang nadidelay something. Pwedeng nagbibigay ng delay sa'yo. Yeah. Ayun ang mga kailangan mong i-end or cut off ngayong May. So, yeah. Yeah. The Nine of Cups. For your peace of mind. For the peace of mind. Oo. For you. Oo. Okay? So, some of you kasi, there's this energies na parang napupunta lang sa wala. Yeah, andito yung mga energy vampires, time wasters. Okay, yeah, the Wheel of Fortune, yeah, in reversed. Somebody or something na pwedeng nagkakos ng delays, pendings, procrastinations, this May. So, maybe, ikaw itong magka-cut off para rin sa'yo. Yeah. Some of you, you get a closure message. Or maybe, ikaw ito magbibigay ng closure message to someone for the better. Okay? So, there. So, next. Let's see. What's for you? Pagdating naman sa love. Energies in love surrounding Gemini placements. So, the person on your mind, sa separate video na lang po, no? Okay, so gagawa tayo ng separate video pagdating sa person on your mind. So, let's see. What's for you, Gemini? When it comes to love, this May. Okay. Gemini. Oh, 6 of Wands. That's nice. This is victory, success, marriage for some of you. Okay, 6 of Wands. 5 of Swords in reverse. Some of you, there's a chance na talagang pwedeng makilala mo yung somebody na pwedeng for you na talaga. Okay? Yeah. I think some of you hindi mo to hiningi. Pwedeng darating na lang to bigla. Yeah. The Nine of Cups. Hindi mo to hiningi, ha? So, if you're like this, sana ganito, sana ganyan, sana meron nang dumating, then this is not your read. Okay? Kung ikaw tong somebody na pwede, wala akong pakialam dyan. Basta ako gagawin ko tong aking ito, gagawin ko tong mga pinagkakabalahan ko ngayon, then this is for you. I don't care about love. I don't care about somebody na pwedeng, gustong kumunik sa akin. I don't care. Basta ako masaya. Masaya ako sa mga ginagawa ko. Okay, sige, kung may dumating. Yeah, like that. Kapag gano'n yung energy mo, yeah. Congrats, may pwedeng dumating ngayong May. Yeah. So, alam mo na kung saan ka dun. So, may chance ng magandang connection na pwedeng dumating ngayong May for you. Okay? The Knight of Cups in reversed. The Moon, and the Temperance. Yeah, this is nice. This person is guided papunta sa'yo. They're guided. Yeah, there's no blockage here. There's no blockages. The 7 of Wands in reverse, the 8 of Swords in reverse. This is, sabihin nating may peace of mind yung taong binabasahan ko ngayon pagdating sa love or pagdating sa mga connection. Like, I don't care. Parang ganon. This person is guided papunta sa'yo. And this is genuine. somebody na pwedeng for you na talaga this, pwede dumating ngayong May. Okay? Some of you, you'll reject this. You will reject this. I don't care. I don't know. I don't like this. But yeah, some of them, they will exert effort pagdating sa'yo. Yeah. Yep. See? The Ace of Cups in reverse. May chance talaga na i-reject mo to. But yeah, this person is patient. They are patient. Okay? Hindi sila para magmadali pagdating sa'yo. They know how to respect boundaries. They know how to wait. Because ito yung taong para sa'yo. Hindi sila yung parang playtime lang. Hindi sila yung taong naghahanap lang ng pwedeng makatsuk-tsakan whatsoever. And then, goodbye. No, hindi sila yon. Okay? Kapag may dumating na ganun, tsuk-tsakan agad ang gusto, then, this is not your, person talaga. For me. Kasi nakuha ko dito, hindi ka para parang madaliin. Okay? Hindi ka nila i-force. Kung anong meron pagdating sa'yo, they will try to parang bungkalin ka ng bungkalin. Like, mag-e-effort to. So, congrats! Oo, sa iba sa inyo na yes. See? 2 of Cups. So, what else? Energies na pwedeng dumating. Anong meron? Situation ng mga Gemini. Let's see. Anong meron? Anong meron sa isip mo ngayon, Gemini? Pagdating sa love. Oh, the Emperor. Balik ko to. Some of you might be dealing with an Aries. I'm not ready. Kapag ito lumabas ulit, then there's something. Okay? What else for Gemini? Situation. Some of you, ikaw itong parang guarded, or you know your limits, boundaries. Okay? What else? Ano bang meron pa for Gemini? The Sun in reversed. That's blockage. In general, that's blockages. Pagdating sa connection. Because we're talking about connections here. In love. What's with that Sun in reversed? The World in reverse. Are you still dealing with past issues? This is trauma. You're unhealed. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Oh my. Medyo heavy to. So, may chance na pwedeng naapektuhan ka ng kung ano-ano man. Ngayon, in general. Kung ano man to, kung sino man to, na pwedeng nagawa mo sa past, still pwedeng nakaka-apekto sa'yo up to now. The Nine of Wands in reverse. Parang open na open pa rin pagdating sa mga issue. Some of you, you're dealing with people or you're dealing with connections na talaga namang nasa low frequency. Because why? Walang boundaries. Walang healthy boundaries dito. It's like open. Parang karinderya na bukas para sa lahat. Ganun yung energy. Gemini. I'm sorry, pero yun yung narinig kong word, yun yung narinig kong line. Yeah, low frequency yun. Parang karinderyang bukas para sa lahat. What? Because yeah, some of you are sad. Real talk, you're sad. Oops. Yeah, the lovers. See? Bukas kahit saan man, sa kung ano mang ibigay, bukas ako. Because I'm sad. Some of you see, the lovers, actually, the usual lovers card, 2 lang yung person. Pero ito, makikita mo, 3. You want love? Yeah, you want love. Pero ang nakukuha mo is somebody, something na nasa lower frequency because you are sad. Emotionally, mentally, physically, drained, sad. That is why. Be careful. Oo. So, ngayong May, sabihin nating napaka-open ng iba sa atin. This is Gemini. This is you. That's you. Date of Wands universe. This will cost you a lot of delays. A lot. Okay? A lot. Walang taong pwedeng makapag-provide ng kung ano man na parang kulang sa'yo, kundi ikaw lang. Yeah, happiness, yes. Pero, kapag hindi mo kasama, pag hindi mo kausap, anong meron? Happy ka pa rin ba? Saya ka pa rin? Okay ka pa rin ba? Without them? Kung di mo man sila makita, okay ka pa rin ba? Something, yung mga ganong energy. May nakikita ko dito sa iba sa inyo, Gemini, na pwedeng mapasok ka sa isang relasyon or isang connection na parang sa tingin mo, sila lang yung mag-avoid ng kung anumang sadness na nararamdaman mo. Pero, sa totoo lang, niloloko mo lang sarili mo. Pahihirapan mo lang din lalo sarili mo. Kasi, sa totoo lang, alam mo namang hindi naman sila talaga yung parang magbibigay ng kasiyahan. Yes! Andun yung energy na mawawala. Malilesen. Pero, nasa sayo pa rin yun eh. Nasa sayo pa rin. Okay? Kailangan kong magkaroon ng kakonect ngayon. Kasi nalulungkot ako, paano na ako? Some of you. Paano na ako? Magkakaroon pa rin ba ako ng karelasyon or what? So, may chance na may darating na nasa lower frequency na pwedeng kakagatin mo na rin. So, ang nakikita ko rito, wala pa rin. Okay, wala pa rin po eh. So, gawin yung gabay ito. Gawin yung gabay. Okay? Kailangan yung pataasin ang frequency nyo. Some of you, the Ace of Swords universe, the Wheel of Fortune universe, yung mentalidad, sabihin natin, yung mentalidad pagdating sa pakikipag-connect. No? I don't know. Yeah, some of you, you're looking, searching online. No? Some of you, madali kang ma-attach. Anyway, gawin yung gabay. Okay. So, all signs are true, Pisces. Aries. They're waiting. They're invested. Their focus is on you. Taurus, unfinished business. Gemini, short term. Some of you, this is talking about walang tiwala sa sarili. Andyan yung parang low frequency, low vibe, traumas, short term. Cancer, nahirapan siya actually. Leo, there's this injustice, imbalance na pwedeng nang meron with this Leo. Virgo, selfish. Yeah. Some of you, they're blaming you. Libra, they like you, or maybe you like this Libra. There's this energy about attraction. Big time attraction. Scorpio, they're sad. They want to see you if ever. Sagittarius, their back is turned. Some of them, they're like surrendering. Capricorn, they have options. Some of them, they're trying to avoid you, or maybe you have to avoid this Capricorn. Aquarius, hot and cold. 1 minute they like you, 1 minute, yeah, parang ayaw. Pisces, could be a third party involved with this Pisces. Some of you, this is talking about separation. They need you, they're sad. This is like a burden, okay? Feeling burden, feeling drained. They want to walk away, pero they can't. They want to see you. Okay? So there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, Gemini placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.